wanted to do a quick video. I don't know how this is going to turn out, but the the light in my refrigerator went out, and I replaced the light. The light's composed of these boards down here, and those boards have four LEDs on them. And it was real dim, and you take those assemblies out, you put new assemblies in, everything works. And what I was going to do is see if I could actually fix these things. Let's go ahead and get started into this. I don't know anything about these boards, but let's check and see if we have good LEDs. And the easiest way typically to do it, check LEDs, just put your voltometer into diode test mode. Typically, that provides enough voltage to turn on the LED, and it kind of give you an idea of where to start for like a voltage drop across the LED. Let's see here. Let's start with this guy. Oh yeah. All right. So 2.46 volts, and looks like there are two elements in there. Let me flip that around. Put that up where you guys can see it. There we go. 2.6 there. 2.46 there. This LED is broken off of there. Same there, and then I guess we'll flop it around this way. That one's 2.48, but it only has one element that's turning on in it. Two elements, 2.46. One element, 2.48. Two elements, 2.46. Okay. So, yeah, that's cool. Something that I have that I was going to use for donor LEDs is this little thing right here. I used it for a load on one of my power supplies. It's a brake light that would go on an automobile. And let's test across one of these guys. There we go. Measuring 2.5 across that. Awesome. So we probably got a donor here that will probably work. Tell you what, let's see what our current rating is on that. So 2.5 volts. Let's start with 5 volts across two of these guys. All right, they turned on. Not very bright though. So let's. Oh yeah, I wonder if I could put this over into voltage mode. Hey, there we go. Look at that. Getting brighter. Oh, and the current draw is going way up. That's about as bright as they were in the fridge. That's bright. All right, so that's like right almost at 6 volts. I don't know if I can get it to exactly 6. And we're looking at about 175 milliamps is the current draw there. So yeah, let's see if we can take one of these LEDs off of the bulb and put it on this board and see if we can make this thing go. I guess the first thing I need to do is remove the old LEDs off this board. I don't know, maybe we'll try hot air. I don't know if that'll work, but let's let's give it a go with that. I hope I don't melt all this stuff trying to take these LEDs off of here. That ought to be. This ought to be fun. Oh no, it's just chipping apart. Look at that. And that was one of the good ones too. All right. So, yeah, we got that off of there. And let's see. I wonder if we can get 6 of these things off. There's 5 of them up here. I don't know if they'll come off easily or not. All right. So, yeah, let's see what happens at a circuit when we test these guys. Okay, nothing there. Oh boy, I hope it didn't fry them. Oh, wait a minute. I need to put it on diode test. Oh, look at that. Okay. They each have different legs. Okay, let me flip that around here again. All right. Okay, so whenever it's oriented this way, there's a little marking on there. See, this guy looks like he's discolored, I hope. Okay, yeah, he looks good. Let me take one more off. One more off. All right, well, let's go ahead and place these guys. And solder them on there. Ah, you know what? Some flux. Let's give that a try. Okay, well, let's see if that worked. All right. So we've got ground hooked up. And let's apply 6 volts. Hey, look at that. There we go. Man, we are not pulling anywhere near the current. Oh boy. Just blew one. Yeah, let's hope that's not a constant voltage power supply we're putting on there. All right. Oh, I did a poor solder job there. Not bad. And this is why I don't do this for a living. Okay. Let's try again. Yeah, I used entirely too much heat on this one. Somehow this thing's gotten magnetized. That's weird. Let's set him off to the side then. Maybe I don't have enough solder on that pad. And that could be what's going on here. Okay, let's go back over here, 5.7 volts. There we go. Turned on great. This did not solder well. So, I need to get better with my soldering. Oh, I can see it. It's just not square on there very well. And I don't have this one soldered well. Just need to get better at this, man. Is the bad solder job on this side? What? For real? I've just about decided this is really isn't my thing. I enjoy doing it, but I'm just not very good at it. There we go. Now it's turning on like it's supposed to. All right, and then we do this guy, and nothing's going to turn on. Just barely, 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 barely. Oh, look at that. And not everything. It's not well soldered over here either. Same problem. Same problem. Okay. Well, let's give it a try. There we go. Awesome. Man, nowhere near the current draw, though. So if this thing's fed by a constant current power supply, that's going to be problematic. Just flip this thing around. And attempt to do the same with these guys. Okay, let's give it a try. Maybe there's just not enough solder on some of these. None of these. None of these. Literally, not a single one of them. What the hell? Literally my worst soldering job ever. Oh my god. All right. Well, there we go. I don't have enough voltage on the supply because it requires 25 volts for it to turn on. I got that side to turn on, and that side's on. So awesome. I don't know. I may let me go throw this in the fridge and see if it actually turns on. I bet it blows up though. Anyways, thanks for hanging out, guys. Uh, this is just a dumb little video that I thought might be fun. So, anyways, take care, guys, and we'll see you guys soon. Take care.